Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Goldman Sachs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goldmansachs.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Goldman Sachs website. Now from the homepage, scroll down to discover the various types of services offered by Goldman Sachs. Now, if you're a corporate client, then click on Corporations and Institutions, otherwise click on Individuals. You can then see the types of service that you can avail for. Simply tap on whichever service you are interested in. And now you will see the client login as well as the request and introduction options. In order to sign up, you will need to tap on Request and Introduction. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to fill up a form. Simply type in your first and your last name, followed by your country and the state. Then enter your city, followed by your email address and your phone number. Also add further comments about what specific help you want. Then choose your source of wealth and then choose the investable assets that you have. Finally, click on the submit button and you will be added to the waitlist for the Goldman Sachs service that you selected. Once your turn has arrived from the waitlist to get a meeting, then you will receive a notification within the email address that you used to request for your meeting. So check your inbox, and when you receive the notification, you can proceed with the given steps in order to finalize your sign up and create your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Goldman Sachs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.